Do you want to know how you can log into your Robeco mutual fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Robeco mutual fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Robeco Mutual Fund Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login page of canararobeco.com. In a while, you can notice that a login portal will open up in front of your page. You can log in using your email address or your username. So, you might keep your patience for a while as the login portal might open in a while due to some issues of login. So go ahead and click one of these and then you can log into your Robeco account after you write down your username or PAN on one box and write down your password on the second one. After you write down your username and password, go ahead and click sign in. This way, you can successfully sign in to your Robeco mutual fund account. If you have forgotten your password and want to recover it, go ahead and click forgot password. So, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.